Hey guys, hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to solve question number 8. The chapter which we are related with is capital and revenue. This is chapter 14. These 5 entries are given in the question. Details would be written over here. Whatever is written in this entry, we will write it in detail. Then we will decide it is capital, revenue and the reason. Reasons which we have already discussed over here. One of the reason would be picked and we will write them. We will write that reason over here. So we are now open to start our question. First entry. Medicine purchased and spent carrying them to the hospital. For hospital, medicines are goods, commodities or merchandises. It is usual practice. A hospital will buy medicine almost daily or weekly and sometimes monthly, but it would happen again and again. As hospital is running, medicine will be used, a new medicine would be required. So medicines for hospital is revenue, and why it would be repeated again and again. So as you can see, it made for the shorter. Yes, asset is not acquired. Yes, it would happen again and again. This is also correct, and we will be choosing this narration because hospital will buy medicine so many times even in a single month. Now second is boundary wall was constructed by college. Wall constructed by college. As you people are student and you are some of the students are in university, some of the students are in college. You will see when there is construction of separate room, construction of wall, construction of boundary wall, this would happen once in the life. Once it would be constructed, after many years it would not be any needed to construct again. So it's a rare event. That is why we will call it as capital. And there are several reasons. Longer period, yes. Physical existence, yes. Won't happen again and again, yes. It will improve the position, yes. There were 4 reasons, 5 reasons which were matched, and we have picked one very closest because a boundary wall will improve the look, will improve the position of the business. Alright guys, now third entry we have freight, new machine and erection charges. Freight, I have told you earlier, it is the fare of ship. When you have bought any commodity from abroad, you will be giving shipment charges. Those shipment charges are called freight to bring that particular commodity or asset from other country to your country. Freight charges for new machine. So it means you have bought a new machine and you know that machine is your asset, and if you are buying your asset, it would be considered as your capital. And why? Because you have bought an asset. So here direct this narration is closely matched. So what you will do, you will write over here and we'll decide it as capital because you have acquired your asset. So guys, now next fourth entry, 5,000 paid for the removal of stock from old works to the new works. Stock mean inventory, stock mean goods. So now you know that whatever you are doing with the goods, you have replaced. Removal means you have changed the place. Packed all of the stock, all of the goods and merchandises from old works to the new works. Would it be a usual practice? Would you change the storeroom address daily? So you will say no, it's a rare event. You will not be continuously changing your address. You will not be changing continuously your store. So obviously it's a rare event, and once in several years you will repeat. So what you will do, change the store. You have changed your store or stock address. Chalo, we can write stock address or stock place. That is better word. You have changed the stock place, one from old address to the new address. So it will happen rarely. That is why you will call it capital, and you will say that it would not be happening again and again. It does not happen again and again. That was the best matched reason. So you have decided that if you will change your business address, if you will change your go down address, if you will change your store address, so it would not happen again and again. That is why it would be considered as your capital. Last, commission on issue of debenture, although it needs some discussion, but as your level, I will discuss in short way. Debentures are loan. For the time being, you will consider it as loan. Secondly, you have given this commission at the time of issue. What does that mean? You have taken loan, for example, for the 5 years. It is long-term loan. Debentures are long-term loan. You have taken loan and after 5 years you will return it. So obviously there will be only once in 5 years you will issue. At the start of the period of time, this time you have issued debentures. So it means it would not happen again in next 5 years. So commission on debentures we have done. Okay, we have written it, commission on debentures. So I have told you that this commission would not be paid again and again. It would be a unique practice. It would be happening once in longer period of time. That is why it would be called capital. How you have decided, this word is very important. At the time of issue, at the time of start, it means when you have taken loan for 5 years, at start you will be paying commission, and no commission would be paid next time in next 5 years. So that is why it would be paid once. It is capital. Why you have said it is capital? It does not happen again and again. Yes, it can be taken and then it is made for the longer period of time. Yes, it can also be taken. So we are carrying this reason. It is made for the longer period of time. You can see that several reasons were matched, but we have tried to change our reasons. It would happen again and again, one different, it will improve position, different, does not happen, and it is made for the longer period. We have tried to change these narrations. So only one narration was revised, otherwise 4 narrations were different. Alright guys, in this way our 5 entries have been completed. In this way our question is completed. I am requesting you to please repeat and revise this question at your own house for 2 to 3 times, and after that practice. If you feel anything difficult, you are very open to ask and share your question, queries and problems through messages, text, or you can directly contact to share your problems. I will try my best to answer your queries instantly. It is end of lecture. Thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.